Hi and welcome to this video. As I mentioned before, I bought a little mount for my GoPro, so I thought what I'd do is I'd stick it in various places on the car and see what it looks like driving about. Now this one that I bought particularly, it's not an official GoPro one, it was literally £5, but from doing the shots that you'll see in a bit, it's handled pretty well. It's quite stable. The reason I chose this one and not one of those bendy ones is this has got more or less chance of it vibrating, that I found from doing watching a few other videos. But as I say, it was only a £5. I wasn't going to trust it so much, so if you want to do this you need a tether or a bit of a safety line. You can do this with anything. I chose string because it's quite soft. If it's whapping against the bodywork, it's not going to scratch it or anything. But yeah, that's basically all I had, and from this you'll see the shots that I've got. Now obviously, if you're like me, you love taking shots from different angles of the car, to see what it looks like. These are just some of my I won't say favourites, but some that I've played around with. There's loads of others, you can put a GoPro anywhere, but these are just some of the ones that I've had a go at. So let me know what you think down below, which one's your favourite. So what I will point out is, if you're going to do this as well, this is a GoPro 4. I do recommend getting anything that's 5 upwards, just because it's got the stabilisation. With this one, I found that in one or two of the videos, which you will see, there's quite a bit of shakiness, which does ruin the picture a little bit. So with that, it makes the picture a lot better. Basically, it's more suited for the type of purpose that you're using it for. But I'm not going to waffle on. I'm just going to play the videos, show you a photo of where it's mounted, things like that, and let me know what you think.